Om Shri Mahaganathipadaye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. Today I am going to announce one thing, that this week onwards I am going to do videos. I am going to release the videos every Saturday. One video on Vedic mathematics. So today I am going to explain you finding the cube root of a 4-digit number, 5-digit number and a 6-digit number by using Vedic Sutra Vilokana. Let me explain the meaning of Vilokana. Vilokana means finding the cube root. Cube root by Vilokana means finding the cube root of the given number. Orally, that means we have to do mind calculations. Just by seeing the number, we have to give the answer. And all the calculations, we have to make it in the mind itself. Understand? So that one, how to do it, I am going to explain you now. For that, here I wrote cubes of first 10 natural numbers. 1 cube 1, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64 and so on. And here I wrote cube roots of 1, 8, first 10 perfect cubes. First 10 perfect cubes. So from these two, we have to draw two important statements. First one, here you observe. See, a number ends with 1. A number ends with 1. Its cube is also ends with 1. If a number ends with 1, means a number which is having 1 at its units place, its cube root is also having 1 at its units place. If you observe here, 4, a number ending with 4, cube also ends with 4. A number ends with 5, cube ends with 5. A number ends with 6, its cube ends with 6. A number ends with 9, cube ends with 9. A number ends with 0, its cube also ends with 0. You have to observe this one again. A number ending with 1, cube ends with 1. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 0, 0. This is very, very important. Next, coming to this, if a number ends with 8 or 2, its cube ends with 8. A number ends with 2, cube ends with 8. If a number ends with 8, cube ends with 2. That is also you have to observe. A number ending with 2, cube ends with 8. 8, 2. Next one. A number ends with 3, cube ends with 7. A number ends with 7, cube ends with 3. 3, 7. 7, 3. So these are the main points you have to keep in mind. So coming to here. A cube ends with 1. Cube root ends with 1. Cube ends with 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 9. 9. 1000. 0. 0. And here, if a number ends with, if a perfect cube ends with 8, cube root ends with 2. If a perfect cube ends with 2, cube ends with 8. In the same way, if a perfect cube ends with 7, cube root ends with 3. 3, 7. So these are the main points that you have to keep in mind. Now, let us consider one number which is a perfect cube and how to find out its cube root. Cube root of 1728. Generally, when we are doing finding the square root, generally we used to divide the number pairwise, 2 and 2, by keeping the bars like this. For finding the square root. Now, we are finding the cube root now. So what we have to do? We have to pair the numbers, or we have to couple the numbers, means keep the bar on 3 numbers. We have to keep the bar on 3 numbers because we are finding the cube root. And here one number is left over. Okay. So total how many bars we got? 2 bars. As I in the square roots, how many number of bars you are getting? The given number is, its square root is having that many numbers. Once again I am repeating, here two numbers are there and we are finding cube root. So 2 bars are there, we got 2 bars. So the answer of this number is having 2 digits. That one you have to keep in mind. Once again I am repeating, we are finding the cube root of a 4-digit number. As I said before, we have to keep bars on 3 numbers. Like what we have done in square roots, we used to keep in 2 numbers 1 bar. Na? But we are finding cube root here, we have to keep 3 numbers 1 bar. So starting from units place, 3 numbers 8, 2, 7, 1 bar, and the remaining 1 number another bar. Total we got 2 bars. So we have to understood that we get a 2-digit number as answer. Now, so what we have to do is we have to see this one and say the answer directly. How? First, the 1728 is ending with 8. As I said, if a cube ends with 8, its cube root ends with 2. The cube ends with 8, cube root ends with 2. So the units place for the answer is 2. Now coming to the second bar, 1. Here 1. What is the perfect cube near to 1? 1 only. Perfect cube near to 1 is 1 only. So answer in the tens place is 1. So the cube root of 1728 is 12. Let us consider one more example. Here, that is 15625. Means we have to keep the bars from units place. 1, 2, 3, 1 bar, remaining 2 numbers are there. So we got 2 bars. That means we will get only 2-digit number. Answer is a 2-digit number because we got 2 bars. So first, this is a perfect cube ending with 5. A perfect cube ending with 5, its cube root ends with 5. A perfect cube ends with 5, its cube root ends with 5. So units place answer is 5. The answer units place is 5. Now 15. What is the perfect cube near to 15? 8. And 8 is cube of 2. 8 is cube of 2. So answer is 2 here. Answer is 2. So cube root of 15625 is 24. Let us consider one more example. Now I will take a 6-digit number. 110592. It's a 6-digit number. So here also we will get 2 bars. Here also we will get 2 bars. Now this is a perfect cube ending with 2. A perfect cube ending with 2. Its cube root ends with 8. A perfect cube ending with 2. Its cube root ends with 8. So units place is 8. Now how to find out the tens place? 110. The perfect cube near to 110 is 125 more than 110. So we have to take 64. 64 is the perfect cube near to 110. Okay, don't say near. Less than 110. There is a perfect cube, only one perfect cube, that is 64, which is near to 110. If you take 27, it is far away from 110 when compared to 64. When compared to 64. Out of these two, 64 is very near to 110. So 110 means 64. So cube root of 64 is 4. So answer is 48. Understand? So cube root of 110592 is 48. Let us consider one more example. 389017. Again we get 2 bars. This is a perfect cube ending with 7. A perfect cube ending with 7. Cube root ends with 3. Perfect cube ending with 7. Cube root ends with 3. Now 389. 389 is near to 340. 340. And cube root of 343 is 7. So 73 is the answer for this number. And last number, if we see, one more example. Last number. That is 830584. Again we will get 3 bars. So this is a perfect cube ending with 4. So a number, if a cube ends with 4, cube root ends with 4. So units place we will get is 4. Now 830 is near to 729. 830 near to 729. And what is square root of 729? 9. So the answer or the cube root of 830584 is 94. So by looking at the number we can say the answer directly if you know these two concepts. So my dear friends and my dear students, I think you understood this concept very well. In my next video, I am going to tell you how to find out the cube root of 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers by using Vedic method Vilokana. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Dhanyavad.